Makeup and robotics. These two things seem very different, right? After all, one is focused more on technology and is very male-dominated, while the other focuses more on beauty and is very female-dominated. I'm not saying that males can't be makeup artists or women can't be engineers, but it seems that robots and makeup have nothing in common. In reality, these two are very similar. Sound crazy, right? The types of robots and makeup looks have similarities only the keen eye can see. For example, a heavy robot such as this one is very eye-catching and dramatic with its heavy armor and bright LED lights. It looks like a company such as Microsoft made this robot, right? In reality, this robot was built by high schoolers. Same with this vampy look worn by Megan Fox. It is also very dramatic with her gray smoky eye and dark plum lips. It looks like it took a makeup artist in order to make sure the smoky eye didn't make her look like a panda. These two look like they have nothing in common, right? In reality, this robot and this look are very similar because they are both very eye-catching, dramatic, and look professionally done. Let's take a look at this robot. This robot is very light and minimalistic. Same with this look right here. Both are alike because they are both minimalistic. The process of building a robot and applying makeup go through similar steps. Let's walk through them. Every robot needs a good base or a chassis. Same with every look. You need a strong base. In robotics, the chassis on the robot serves as a primer / foundation / concealer / BB or CC cream. They provide a strong base for the rest of the parts to hold on to and is one of the most important parts of a robot or look. If you had a foundation that was too light for you, it wouldn't look good, right? Same if you made your chassis uneven. It would not work as well as an even one. Powder is the nuts and bolts of makeup. Both pretty much hold everything together. Eyeshadow or eyeliner serves as the arm of the robot. They are probably the most important parts of the robot / look, and if you mess them up, the result is terrible. Makeup, you probably spend the longest time working on your eyes. It takes a steady hand and technique in order to have perfect eye makeup. Same with the arm. It needs to function well, and the only way you can create a perfectly functioning arm is that you need a steady hand and good technique in order to build the arm. Mascara is the claw of the robot. It's probably the easiest thing to make and apply, but is still very important. Girls, have you ever seen your mascara / eyeliner run where you cry? It's not pretty, right? A robot's arm flops around. It decreases the robot's efficiency. And when a robot's arm falls off because of its flopping, it also isn't very pretty. If you have waterproof mascara or eyeliner, that's basically the same as having a stabilizer on the arm. Like its name says, its purpose is to prevent the robot's arm from flopping around when it works. The robot becomes more efficient because it keeps the arm steady in order to prevent any damage. The most important part of the robot is the wiring. Wiring connects the electrical parts of the robot together, such as the battery, in order for the robot to truly function. Now I know this sounds ridiculous, but your lipstick or lip gloss is the wiring of your look. You're probably thinking that lip gloss or lipstick doesn't change up your look and isn't that important, but in reality, it changes up your look. Beautiful eye makeup can turn ugly when paired with the wrong lip color. For example, this nice natural eye look with this extremely shimmery lip gloss. Yeah, not pretty. Last but not least is the bronzer or blush. Like lip products, they change up your look a lot. However, choosing a bronzer or blush has less impact on your look than lip products. They are the LED lights of your look. LED lights are totally optional on a robot, but when you apply them, the robot is more eye-catching. If you put too many LED lights on a robot, however, it looks pretty ridiculous. Same with bronzer and blush. And there you have it. Building a robot and applying makeup don't seem very different now, right? However, there are still a few differences between them. In robotics, you not only have to build a robot, you have to program it. If you're a newbie at robots, this means you make a set of instructions through a computer in order to have the robot do stuff either on its own or through a remote. Let's face it, your makeup can't apply itself through a remote control or by itself, even though that would be freaking awesome. By participating in robotics, you not only get more of your fine motor skills that you've acquired through makeup, You get to bond with other girls. They may know more about robots than makeup, but you all have that one common drive to overcome the stereotype that women can't get involved in technology. Honestly, there needs to be more women involved within the technology community. It's way too male-dominated. In order to find out more about robotics, check out FIRST. FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. They are a non-profit organization which holds many different competitions, such as the FRC, which stands for the First Robotics Challenge, and the FTC, which stands for the First Tech Challenge. Both are aimed towards high schoolers. If you want to get involved, check to see if your school has a robotics team that you can join, or if you want, you can start your own team. A team that I would definitely check out is Einstein's Daughters, a FTC all-girls team. They have won the Inspire Award in the past. The Inspire Award is one of the most prestigious awards that a team can get. Check out the links below in order to find out more about FIRST and how you can get involved.